How do you know if someone blocked you on Snapchat? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that will help you know if somebody has blocked you or not. The first way is simply searching for their username. If you know a username of the person whom you think have blocked you, tap on the search bar icon. Simply search for their username, and if you cannot find them, that is also a sign they have blocked you. Second way you can know is if you guys are a member of a certain group, you may go ahead, open the group, and if you don't see the name of the person there, that also means they have blocked you. The third way is asking for a favor from your friends. If your friend is also friends with the person whom you think have blocked you, you may ask them to search for their name if they can easily search for their name, and if their name is not showing up in your search history specifically, that is also a reason they have blocked you. So guys, these are the 3 ways that you can know